Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. So the last week I've been wanting to open this parcel. Jump straight into the video. So a very lovely brand called Glistkin. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's a really cool and quirky name. They contacted me through Instagram and they said, look, would you be interested in, looking at our products, doing a video? And I was like, oh my god, that's like so lovely. They are a small company, but I could see them going so far because their jewellery is incredible. Oh, they are so cute. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Team Glistkin. We want to thank you for collaborating with us. Oh, thank you. Please find enclosed the agreed product from our collection. How adorable are these? They have so much variety, it's unreal, and it is so affordable. So for all you students and for all those people who don't have that much money but want great quality jewellery, like how cute is this? I also love these. Like I think this is like my sort of like my favourite packaging. So the first, I don't even remember what I got, by the way. So oh my goodness, gold chain with a really circle latched onto it. I just think this was so beautiful, so simple. I will leave the price somewhere around on the screen right now because I can't remember. Everything was so cheap. I think this was super simple, super cute, super simple. Simple like what I'm wearing now, like just wearing like a casual black t-shirt day or a white t-shirt. I just think this will be the finishing touch. Okay, so the next one, it's kind of like a lucky dip at the moment. I think this was from the lucky dip, what I did. I got these beautiful gold earrings. How cute are they? They would go perfectly with my necklace, what I've got. I just think that these are adorable. I just love these so much. I think that they just complement any outfit. What's my next one? Oh my god, yes! Oh my god, I think this is so adorable. So this is the most cutest little star and moon ring in gold. I think this is so cute. I saw it and I was like, I have to buy that. You can place it as a midi ring or you can have it as just a normal ring. You know what, I think I would really like that as a midi ring. How adorable is that as a midi ring? It can fit on my index finger or my pinky finger, but I really like that as a... Oh my god, I think I'm in love with this. Oh my god, yes! So it's on a gold chain and we have a gold palm tree. How cute is that? I absolutely love this. I just saw it and was like tropical vibes, summer vibes. I have something on my arm vibes. I also have a scratch from Pebbles. How adorable. Again, super cheap. It's great for a Christmas and birthday present because Christmas is literally coming around the corner. Oh my god, I love that so much. We have another moon and star ring because I got a birthday coming up soon, so I got two. I think it's a necklace. Yes. I got one with three. I just thought this was really adorable. I just liked it. Again, so cheap, like oh my god. Crafted so beautifully as well. Oh my god, you can just put this with any outfit. Oh my gosh, so again, these are for my sister for her birthday because it is her birthday coming up very soon. So I came across these and was like, they screamed my sister because she loves elephants. I got these cute little studded earrings. They are crafted so beautifully, even like the trunk and like the way it curls on the inside. That is just incredible. She is going to love them. They're so cute as well, like they are so tiny, like so tiny, to the point where, you know, you could get away with like, oh, you're not allowed to wear earrings, but really you can because they are super tiny. So to go with the star and the moon ring, which I'm already wearing, I'm loving this as a midi ring. I came across these necklaces to go with it and I just fell in love. You can get it in gold and silver. The silver is a little bit tangled right now. I have put it out already, but I will insert a clip showing you the silver and the gold, but here is the gold. It's 2 chains, so you've got one longer one and one shorter one above, obviously, the longer one there. And you've got the moon and you've got the star, and I just thought this was stunning. It's so me, and it goes so well with ring as well. Like, how cute is that? It's so cute. It's crafted to like perfection. Oh my god, not a single scratch on it or anything like that. It is just beautiful. I think again it will go with any outfit, whether you're dressing up, dressing down. I'll just put out there, I don't normally usually buy a lot of gold jewellery. I am normally a silver jewellery person, but having a bit of gold is just, oh, it's so lovely. Like, it's making me want to wear more gold jewellery. Oh my god, I love this! To go with my palm tree, you could even wear them together, like wear one longer, because you, with the clasp on each of the necklaces, you of course have got clasp and you've got the different length, so you've got the chain with the length. So I'd definitely wear this rather longer or shorter with the palm tree, because this is a cute little flamingo. How adorable is this flamingo? Like, seriously, chilling out on one leg, like, yeah, look at me, I'm balancing. Them two together are just incredible. I came across this ring, this really nice silver circular ring. This is so stunning. Oh my goodness, how incredible is this? I absolutely love this. Oh my god, I think this is going to be like one of my new rings, what I'll wear like all the time. Again, will complement any outfit, will go with anything. Just this, like, it's just so simple and so cute. I'm going to keep these rings on. I have to post a lot of pictures now, but I need my nails doing first because they're pretty bad. That's what happens when you work in retail. So that is everything what I got off Glistkin. Thank you so much to them. Honestly, I'm just speechless. Like, truthfully, I'm speechless. If you're thinking, oh my god, Christmas is literally around the corner, I don't have too much money, but you know, I want something great quality but at a good price, I will leave all of their information in the description box down below. I'll leave the website, I'll leave the Instagram. Go check them out. They are incredible. They are so lovely as well. Please remember to go hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. See you again in my next video. Love you lots. Bye. Wow, this is just incredible. Oh my god.